Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So creating a WeChat account without scanning a QR code might be a bit challenging due to the strengthened security measures. However, you can also have an alternative method to get signed in or to create an account. So you can simply tap open your WeChat and there you can find two options, login and sign up. Simply tap on login and there you can find an option to sign up with your mobile phone or Facebook. Simply choose one of the methods, and once you have done this, you will need to log in into your Facebook account and grant the necessary permissions for the WeChat account. So once you follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration, you will be able to open WeChat account without even scanning a QR code. But mind you, this option may not be available in all the regions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.